Control quality is the process of monitoring and recording results of executing the quality management activities in order to assess performance and ensure the project outputs are complete, correct, and meet customers' expectations. The key benefit of this process is verifying that the project deliverables and work meet the requirements specified by key stakeholders for final acceptance. The control quality process determines if the project outputs do what they were intended to do. Those outputs need to comply with all applicable standards, requirements, regulations, and specifications. This process is performed throughout the project. The control quality process is performed to measure the completeness, compliance, and fitness for use of a product or service prior to user acceptance and final delivery. This is done by measuring all steps, attributes, and variables used to verify conformance or compliance to the specifications stated during the planning stage. Quality control should be performed throughout the project to formally demonstrate with reliable data that the sponsors and/or customers' acceptance criteria have been met. The level of effort to control quality and the degree of implementation may differ between industries and project management styles. In pharmaceutical, health transportation, and nuclear industries, for example, there may be strict quality control procedures compared to other industries, and the effort needed to meet the standards may be extensive. For example, in agile projects, the quality control activities may be performed by all team members throughout the project lifecycle. In waterfall model-based projects, the quality control activities are performed at specific times towards the end of the project or phase by specified team members. The primary purpose of the control quality process is to ensure that the project deliverables conform to the established quality standards and meet the quality requirements defined in the project management plan. It serves as a checkpoint to verify that the work performed aligns with the project's quality objectives. Another critical purpose is the identification of defects, non-conformities, and discrepancies in project deliverables. By systematically examining the work results, control quality helps pinpoint issues that may negatively impact the project's quality. Control quality is instrumental in measuring and assessing the performance of both project processes and deliverables. It provides valuable insights into the project's overall quality performance, enabling timely corrective actions. One of its key purposes is to prevent rework. By identifying defects early in the project, control quality allows for prompt corrective actions, reducing the likelihood of costly and time-consuming rework later in the project lifecycle. The process instills confidence among project stakeholders, including customers and sponsors, that the project is being managed with a strong focus on quality. It demonstrates the organization's commitment to delivering high-quality results. Control quality provides quality assurance by verifying that project deliverables meet or exceed predefined quality standards. This assurance is essential for meeting stakeholders' expectations. Identifying defects early in the project prevents costly rework and corrections at later stages. This translates into cost savings as resources are efficiently utilized. By monitoring and controlling quality throughout the project, control quality reduces the risk of quality-related issues adversely affecting project objectives, such as schedule delays or customer dissatisfaction. The process relies on data and metrics to assess quality performance. This data-driven approach enables informed decision-making, allowing project managers to take timely corrective actions. Control quality supports a culture of continuous improvement by identifying opportunities to enhance project processes and prevent recurring quality issues. Lessons learned from the process contribute to organizational learning. Ensuring that project deliverables meet or exceed quality standards enhances customer satisfaction. Satisfied customers are more likely to provide positive feedback and engage in future collaborations with the organization. Ultimately, the quality control process contributes to project success by delivering high quality results that align with stakeholders' expectations. It helps achieve the project's quality objectives and ensures that the project's intended benefits are realized. Let's discuss the inputs to this process. These are project management plan, project documents, approved change requests, deliverables, work performance data, enterprise environmental factors, and organizational process assets. We will be discussing all of them briefly. Project management plan components include quality management plan. The quality management plan defines how quality control will be performed within the project. Project documents that can be considered as inputs for this process includes lessons learned register, quality metrics, and test and evaluation documents. Lessons learned earlier in the project can be applied to later phases in the project to improve quality control. A quality metric specifically describes a project or product attribute and how the control quality process will verify compliance to it. Test and evaluation documents are used to evaluate achievement of the quality objectives. As part of the Perform integrated change control process, a change log update indicates that some changes are approved and some are not. Approved change requests may include modifications such as defect repairs, revised work methods, and revised schedules. Partial change completion may result in inconsistencies and later delays due to incomplete steps or corrections. The implementation of approved changes should be verified, confirmed for completeness, retested, and certified as correct. A deliverable is any unique and verifiable product, result, or capability to perform a service that is required to be produced to complete a process, phase, or project. Deliverables that are outputs from the direct and managed project work process are inspected and compared to the acceptance criteria defined in the project scope statement. Work performance data contains data on product status such as observations, quality metrics, and measurements for technical performance, as well as project quality information on schedule performance and cost performance. The enterprise environmental factors that can influence the control quality process include project management information system. Quality management software can be used to track errors and variations in processes or deliverables. Government agency regulations and rules, standards, and guidelines specific to the application area. The organizational process assets that can influence the control quality process includes quality standards and policies, quality templates, for example check sheets, checklists, etc., and issues and defect reporting procedures and communication policies.